This is Newsroom. Hello and welcome from Johannesburg in South Africa. I'm Evan Jansen. The show is live. It's broadcast from our studios here in Auckland Park. We're also streaming live on YouTube right now with the whole show available on demand on our YouTube channel. It's Friday, baby. Symphonic Tribes is a musical group that believes house music heals and massages our souls. They also believe that tranquility and a peace of mind is achieved when one is, embarking on things they enjoy doing the most. Today, this musical group is here in studio with us to show us what they enjoy doing the most. It's Friday, baby. Symphonic Tribes.
Munga chavi chumu man yochina nyamunta sakile nivangani va mina a tintombi ti kona la cina hinkwenu man chinisa nenge 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 Nyamunta akuyeteliwe nyamunta chinisa nenge la tusakela mateki ya ina machita mina ni macheri hinkwaswo swi kona la yo phuza yo tsaka yo cina